Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Oh, that mic sounds like it's a little bit loud. Let me crank that down a little bit. It is about that time again. We are going to do some trading reviews. We're going to go through some live examples. I've been hearing a lot of feedback that, guys, there's a lot of great training there. And let's go and take a peek at some of the live examples and live charts. Let's take a peek at those. So tonight we're going to go through those. We're going to look at some results, all that kind of good stuff. Stay tuned here tonight. You're not going to want to miss this one. We got a lot to cover, so let's get right to it. Roll that tape. Alrighty then, let's come on down here to our training window and right into our Discord channel. And of course, everything you see here tonight, remember, you need to get and look at the link down below in the description to go straight to the mentorship training videos. I'm not going to be able to cover everything. You're not going to learn all of our strategies here tonight or anything like that. So if you are looking to get involved with us in our training programs, hit down in the description down below. And of course, if you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that like button and follow us over here on Facebook, Skip on Twitter, hit us up on Instagram, and here on YouTube. And let's get right to some of those great results and some of those trades. I'm going to go through a lot of those examples here tonight. We got some great setups, things like this. Nick had a question on this one. We're going to come back to that one. It's a little bit of a trickier one. All right, so what do we got here? We have, what is that right there? That is the Delta Ready Up, and what's he pushing into right here? This is a double cross headshot with King timing. Can you guys see that over there? Let me zoom in a little bit farther. That is a double cross, interestingly enough. So remember, the keys to remember, if you have done and you understand the double cross, double move play, and when do we know that that's going to turn into a reversal? When it's got one of two things. What is it? One, a PRZ nearby, or two, a dot, right? So is he accurate on this trade? Yes, indeed, right? He's got the big fat delta over here on the left, signaling to him that this is a good location for this type of trade setup. He's got really almost a double dot there as well. You see the little blue dot sitting right in there? You can barely see it. I'm about to put a little dot over it. You see it? See that blue dot right there? Boom. And then right here, he's got the green dot along with the double crosses, and that is a nice play there. And look what is right there. A little bit farther in. I don't know if I can zoom in any farther than that, but that is a gold box for the PRZ, just saying, hey, hook me up with that big, juicy target. Well done for Nick, playing that one out. Let's see, some questions around modifying the data series. I won't go into some of those. You guys can go check those out later. Mike trying to pick, okay, Mike, I want to help you out a little bit. Remember, you're trying to pick out, I'm not sure what you're doing here, okay? I want to try to help you guys out, okay? I don't want to rag on you guys too hard, but again, I'm your mentor, so, hang with me. Be careful, right? Number one, we have the third target on a J-hook, right? There's a J-hook, original play. There's target one, target two, and here's three that hasn't been hit yet, but it looks like you're already trying to anticipate the up move. Let's talk a little bit about that one. Now, if you were going to say, hey, maybe around this king timing, okay, I see a king timing line coming up there. It's pink, okay? So if you're talking about the pink line, maybe, I'm not sure what you're thinking on that, but be careful if you're already thinking about the up move. Remember, this is a very strong come down move, all right? If we're going to catch the bottom like that, again, we really need a lot of signs for that. So just please on that one, be careful. Like this is not a good play. Okay, so be careful on that. On a big picture, don't be trying to anticipate that big a move unless you've got some other reasons for that position, okay? What do we got right here? Oh, juicy. What's that right there? Headshot. Easy. Plus a PRZ. Let me see if I missed anything else. We got double dots to the left. What's our MACV timing? Is he red? Yes, indeed. So, check one. Do we have something previous to give us the move? Yes, we do. Very nice. And we're coming up on king timing. Are we right on it for any reversal setup? No. But is that on large timing? Yes, it is. So potential large opportunity, and he gets a pink dot. Oh no, that was my drawing in there right there. So red headshot plus a PRZ. Yeah, I'll take that. And look what is that right there? You should recognize what that is. Pop quiz. Ask yourself what that is. That is your PRZ target for the big dog. 10, 15 plus the runner. Very, very nice. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Did he do all the screenshots? Yes, he did. So, That's a nice one. And he's still got this one laying right there if he wanted to run her. Let's see if it went any farther than that. No. Oh, he's playing it back the other direction. Am I seeing this right? No, these are two separate plays. Okay. Well done, JC. So JC's taking the MES. And then, because he's got his screen set up so that he can see multiple instruments, what has he got here? NASDAQ. What's he looking at here? Pop quiz. Big, fat, delta. Now this is a medium, but what time frame is this? That's the 8s. Folks, that is the 8s. What is a medium on the 8s? That is equivalent of a very large on the 1s and 2s, is it not? Yes, indeed. If you guys follow that, you know, give me a big thumbs up down below. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down too. If you're AK, definitely give me some more thumbs down. He's trying so hard. Oh, our little shills, man. We have our favorite trolls around here. Shalom Benzev, poor guy. He needs to really lay off the. All right, man, that's a beautiful play there. Huge. Is that 800 bucks? Woo! 800 catching that move off the bottom. Well done. Well done there, Nick. All right, catching a little bounce, says he. This one almost looks like that other one. Is this the same play? Hold on. Are you gonna redo, or is he just getting? Is he getting two beautiful ones like this in a row? Oh, he's catching another one. Oh, this is JC instead of Nick this time, and on a different play. Look at that. Double dot headshot. That is a power headshot. You guys recognize that is a power headshot with the blue, right? Power headshot inside of a PRZ. Yes, please. I'll take it. And look what's up here. What are these? What's that right there? Now, critique. What would I be doing? What do you guys think I'd be doing right here? Well, first of all, I'd probably be taking a little bit of a bigger position, right? It's okay, right? Toe in the water here, but where would I be putting this? I want 1 sitting right there, and I want 2 sitting right there. Do we have a delta? Okay. Only thing we're lacking here. So I actually would not probably strike for this one. Why? No delta here. Okay. And this is a meandering road. Okay. Stairway to heaven is the opposite direction. Okay. This is the stairway to hell. All right. So be careful on that. On those reversals. You want to scalp that up a little bit. That's fine. And you've got a Mac V red. Right. So what am I looking for? Maybe first target right here. Okay. Hope you guys follow that. That's my thought in my play through this play. What is it? What did he get here? Did he give an after picture of that? Let's see if we got an after to prove it. Another catch. Big delta plus harmonic. Did he get the delta? Is this another one? Hold on. What time was this one? This one was 36. This is 2 minutes. No, 4 minutes later. This must have been that morning play that Nick also took. And then this is just another one, but he's posting it in now. Hey, still, great play. Loving it. This one, so, because again, this is a totally different play here, because this is the Delta. Oh, let me look at the time frame on that. Does it have the time? It says 10:30. What's this one? I'm not sure. I actually don't know what's going on here. I don't want to waste too much time on the stream here. I'll come back to this one, or put me down below, JC, what this one was. But I love the other one. I'm not sure about this one, but we got a Delta. What did you call this one on? Delta plus harmonic. Oh, this one? Taking the red here on the 50 cent. Okay. So, is it because of this blue dot? So we got the blue dot push. Delta is always good. Big fat delta. I don't know how you caught that one there. Oh, is it because of this? Oh my word. Wow, I am blind. I am blind. Okay, so this other one went up, went straight to that spot. Yeah, again, this is what I was kind of worried about. Okay, wow. Okay, actually, just proved it all out. This is actually important. So he's in this play, right? Did it get all the way to where, you know, we really wanted it, big plays? No, but did he get in 10 or 15? I think he actually took some targets here. Very smart play. But right about here, it literally took the down move off of, I believe, this spot right here. Looks like the 50 cent was it was a 50 cent, I believe, correct? I don't see a 50 showing here, but the 50 cent showed up with the push down. Boom. There it was. Yeah, okay. That makes more sense. So we had the up move, all right, only got to right here. Then king timing took over, pushed her down. Now, remember what I said before, like the only thing I said I was worried about this, why I would not take a big play, because I did not see the delta, right? I'm like, you see that over there? Relative here on this, yeah, that's going to be dangerous. So again, let's try to scalp it up. Let's get a few ticks off of it. It's good, but what's our MACV? Again, big plays are going to be going into the south side direction. This thing pushes back down, but now I see what you're doing here. Now you got the big red delta. Now you're trying for a push up. I gotcha. And you got the power of that blue right over to the left. Beautiful play there. A little bit riskier and very advanced. JC's been around with us for a while, okay? So he's doing things a little bit, you know, he's got some freedom, but let's take a peek at those results. I mean, come on. It's that is pretty good, if I do say so myself. And let's look at the stats. 100% he hit everything. Beautiful work, sir. No stop outs. He's closing his positions quickly. Man, look at this guy. I mean, what am I doing critiquing you? You come teach the class. This is amazing work. Wow, just I got nothing. I got no critiques on this yesterday. Again, you guys were just crushing it. That's why I wanted to talk about it. Average time in market, 2 minutes. Isn't that awesome? 2-minute plays, 3,300. I mean, what else do you say to that? Jared, one of our new folks with us, crushing it. What we call noob money around here. Noob money. $619.60. 66% profit. And of course, what I always care about is that profit factor right there. Look at this. Inherent built a 3 profit factor, folks. When your winners are 3 times the size of your losers, that's pretty good. Well done. Real asked, is this still considered a headshot? Well, I see several headshots here. We got a blue power dot headshot right here. What does that mean? Boop. Right. Headshot up. We got the cross plus a dot. Of course, I'm going to take that. Second one, I think he's asking about this one. Is this a short? Yes. Is this a long? Yes. Man, this is like the headshot picture of the world. So, what's this one worth? This one's worth 10 ticks. What's this one worth? I don't know. A lot. Up to a red dot. And this one going down to the short side, we don't know yet. Did you get an after picture of this one? Yes, that is a valid red headshot. However, I can't tell the one thing. You got to change, Real. Again, I know you're super new, okay? But you're way too zoomed in here, okay? Your charts are what I call flattened out. One key, everybody's writing this down, taking notes. Look at the deltas. If you see the separations on the deltas, your charts are too zoomed in. Okay, here's the key right there. All right, taking notes. Fix this on yours. Too zoomed in. Okay, how do you know? Look at your delta fins. If they look like this, you are too zoomed in. Okay, they need to look like all pressed together. You do not need to see those separations. It's a good visual for yourself to test whether or not you're at the proper zoom level. So a little flattened out there. You're going to have a few problems with that. Again, I know you're new, so I want to make sure that we get to critique all that. It's my job to help you out. Yengi, crushing it. 29.53. Look at this. Max drawdown for, oh, it's beautiful. 3.29, folks. Just look at these stats. 82% profitable. Joking me. Well done. Excellent work. Let's take a peek at some more of the goodies. Oh, here's KC. Again, if you guys have missed the KC interview, him talking about, you know, before he went live and everything, look at him crushing. He runs multiple accounts. Just outstanding work from Ken. If you guys want to go see him. Again, he came to us from MacroHedge after we destroyed MacroHedge and exposed their scam in a contest. He became aware of AlgoBox, and now he is smashing it with us. Go have a chat with him or go watch the video on him and his little interview. Well done. Over 2K. Awesome freaking work. Almost 3K there for the Kinster. Now, let's play through this one. This was one that Yengi said she could not pass up this shark play. So, how do we play a shark? If you've not seen the shark play,
yes, MacV.
Pause. Oh, can I pause it? Here we go. All right. So, if you have never seen a shark play before and you don't know what we're talking about, head on over to our website. The link is right down below in the mentorship training videos. This is video number 2. Again, one of my favorite trade setups. So easy. Look at this beautiful shark play. This is called the shark back. Playing off the shark back plus a delta, right? Don't we know? What does this do right here? This should always tell you that this is going to be powered up. Big, fat delta fin. We're ready to go. Delta flagging on the Flowmaster orders, right? So order flow tells us, yep, great play if we got one right here. What's our actual entry? We still need an entry. We can't just blindly take this. What do we got here? This beautiful shark layout right here. Bam, we're at the back side of the shark. She's entering in right here to the long side. Hopefully she's gonna adjust this up to this place, up to this spot right here. Let's see how we play through on that. There she goes, loading the boat. Load up the boat. Excellent. Look at that. It tries to take her. She's like, I don't think so. Ching, 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 ching. Now, I love her sounds. Listen to those sounds. I love the sounds. That is Mario Brothers, if I ever heard it. Super Mario Brothers. She's got her sounds changed too for her targets field. You know, you guys hear mine say, targets field. She's got the Super Mario Brothers, you know, collecting coins. I love it. Oh, man. Beautiful genius. Little video game genius going on right there. Crushing those targets. Now, if you don't understand this play, again, go watch the Sharkback play. Here's the fin. Okay. Well, it's confusing because there's multiple fins here. Okay. This is also a fin. Yes, this is our delta. Right. This is the Sharkback play by definition. You enter in at the back, right back here. There's a line on most of ours. It matches up kind of with the front one. And just go watch the how to trade this strategy. If you get a shark, and again, it's so easy. It's one thing. It shows up on your chart. The stop is right back behind the shark. Your risk is this. Your minimum reward is this to this. Okay. You guys wondering where our R ratio comes from? Right there. Look at our risk to reward, right? Just to target one. And she just cleared all those. Excellent work. And now, let's see if she's got the runner. Look at this up here. You see, why has she put the runner out there? Pop quiz. You should know this. If you've been in our crew, what's that? That is a PRZ, right? The golden box for that target. Dot,
NQ, dot.
Yeah, I wanted to find out. Look at target field for another one.
Look for a long, dot.
Good for a long.
Two.
She's bringing her stops up, locking in her
dot. YM.
Her profits. Okay, wait, what did she say here? Delta building up again, letting this run squeeze all it can. Excellent, excellent work. Now, when your stops start to move up, I like to put mine. So here's my critique. You guys like to hear, you know, my thought process around this. My stops go behind the various indicators, right? I just try to stay consistent. Just keeping it normal. My stop is going right back here behind this green dot, okay? Which means I am trying to continue to work this position, giving me my space so that I can work that position. Okay, so my stop is going to be back here, right? I know, Yingy, you got yours up here, right? So that's my only critique I can say on this for anybody else trying to follow along. I am putting mine behind a dot, or if I had a cross, I'd be putting it back behind the cross, letting the position work. If I get another signal to add to my position to get to go, that's what I'm looking for, all right? Keep on going here.
Micro NQ, MacV.
Look at this thing run like a boss. Yingy's taking this one like a beast. Moving her stop up there.
Dot. Micro NQ.
Yeah, I tend to not do that. If it's going to come back on me, I will just close the position.
Dot.
I'm actually got my finger on the buy button.
5. Dot. RTY 3. Dot.
Okay. So I'll talk about how I leave myself a little more space because I feel like this feels a little cramped, right, for me. If this comes back down and gives me a green dot right here, right on like this pink zone, right, or something builds up here, I got a king timing that I can try to add in on. I just don't want to be fretting about my stop. I can always press the close button, right? So these are like little minutiae. I'm not trying to nitpick. I'm just going, you know, you want to make this, you want to go all the way with this. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Other beautiful thing you got going on over here. Look at this. MacV starting to shift into the green. Again, great scenario to go ahead and try to hold that position, right? Now, originally you came off of shorts favorable, so you got to figure you're catching a shift zone here, right? What we really want to see is a J-hook play here. Pull down like this, and then boom. Let's see how she goes here.
Okay, 1. Dot. YN. 3.
Oh, she just keeps running.
Dot.
She just keeps running. Okay, so right about there, now I'll just tell you what I would have done. I probably would have exited right there. Okay, now, why would I exit right there? So we enter in on a shark, and now I believe this is another shark. I think this is a red shark. Let me zoom back. Or is it a butterfly? The setup, oh, that's a big one. So you can't really tell. You know, I know you have a reason for why you zoom in, and it probably helps you with your trade management there. That looks like another shark to me, okay? So what is that entry right there? So I got shorts favorable, and I got the back of a shark back. I'm taking it off right there, okay? That's my exit, and I believe that's a big fat delta as well, okay? So this, I believe, and again, I don't know. I have not seen this video all the way through yet. This is my first time run through. I just know it was one that I wanted to see. Some other folks said it was great play setup. Now, I'm going to eat my own words if this ends up going all the way up here and hitting her target. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just letting you guys know what I would have done in this position.
Dot. NQ. Dot. NQ. 3. Dot. NQ. 2.
Good nuts. I'm hoping it pushes up for it. I'm really hoping it pushes up here for it. But I know off of that shark back, it's going to push down. Got the cross. Does it keep going for it? It keeps going. It keeps. Did it go? Oh my word! That was so close to your stop. That makes me nervous. Okay. Okay. Good. You know what? I'm feeling pretty good. All right. Listen, Daddy's feeling pretty good here. All right. I've never seen this video. This wasn't something I planned ahead of time. I just saw it for the first time. But I hope you guys catch, like, where would I have exited this? Okay. And she really didn't get much more out of it for the. Look, what did she pay for it? She didn't pay for it necessarily in dollars, but she paid for it in stress. Okay, I'm exiting out as I get to the back of a shark. Anytime I'm getting a point of entry, right, that would be a reversal entry. And that delta right there tells me that that's going to be powerful. Going to be hard to push through. So for me, I'm taking out my stops right there. You know, she didn't do too bad. She still ends up, you know, exiting around here somewhere. But feeling pretty good about, yeah. So again, that's just experience talking to you guys, and that's what I'm here for. I'm your mentor to talk you through, walk you through how we trade and execute with Algobox. Let's get another one. You just try to view bought it. Who's he making fun of? Trades by Matt. Poor Trades by Matt. Oh, that foolish boy. Okay, can't even give respect when somebody gives him $5,500 for his donations. Silly. Sad children, sad children. Look at this, running some lunch bot. Excellent work there, Matthias. Excellent work. P&L for the day, $215 at that point on that screenshot there. Excellent work. Tommy P, $587. Well done, sir. Is this the morning? No, this is coming into the afternoon session. Awesome. And let's see some more. Just soon the video was okay. People were asking about Flowmaster. Yep, you guys can watch that video on that. FX Iceman, also new with us, working on his combine. I believe he's doing one up. Awesome work. $400 on a combine, and he's brand new. I don't even think he knows our strategies yet. And just Algobox is that powerful. Well done, Remel. 2175. Super pumped and excited for you guys. Well done. Let's see some more. Decide on the video topic yet. Another new person with us. 470. Running I believe he's running a combine as well. 100% profitable on 24. Oh, just amazing work, you guys. Curtis G throwing down the 6,400, saying, "What's up? You boys need to learn what's up." Excellent work. Holy shnikes. And then Casey decides to come in and be like, "Listen, let me teach you something, all you little chitlins." All right, look at this. The brother, you know, Ken, at some point we're going to talk about, like, you know, give some tips on managing multiple accounts. This is just amazing work. I mean, just beautiful stuff there, sir. What is that for a total of, that's over 5K, almost 6K on the KC across his accounts. Excellent work there, KC. Mr. 5 Stone, J5 Stone for the 2K 2050. Mike, Democrats are moving to Texas. Oh, don't tell me that. All right, what's he got here? Long's favorable, he says. All right, plus Mac V Green, excellent. Headshot and double dot on the King. Headshot is, yeah, okay, got it. Headshot there, boom. And double king timing. Yep, that can give you, that's got lots of extra room to go. You got double dots going. Excellent work there. Pushing in a PRZ target way up there. Beautiful stuff. Loving it. Ooh, on the ES. That's worth a lot right there. On the ES, that's a big play. Very big play right there. What's this one? On the YM, is this the same play around the same time? Managing 2 trades simultaneously. All right, a little bit smaller on this one. I will say, so on, you know, if I'm throwing out some critique on some of this, so I'm probably going 10 on the YM, okay? And I'm going 1 contract on the ES. All right, so I might reverse my position sizing. That's just me. And so yeah, just, you know, some thoughts on that. I would be maybe toe in the water, quarter position on ES, and quarter to half on a YM if I'm splitting out like that. Just a good note. But that's a beautiful spot right there. Yeah, headshot, favorable, excellent work, and timing. Well done, sir. Loving it. Yes, our friends over at DTP are marveling at our awesome member result. I'm so proud of you guys. Absolutely smashing it. This was from yesterday. If you guys have not printed out your 5 trade paper, we have a lot of people asking us about that. If you haven't got yours, you can print it out. All right, how do we track our 5 trades? Well, of course, you know, maybe you need some Trump coins. Do some gold Trump coins to track your 5 trades per session. Hopefully 2 of those per day. So, you know, you're trying to target 5 or 10 trades per day. Playing our little Algobox trading video game. Approaching the markets like a video game. This is what it used to look like when I was using Nerf darts before. I used to like to load those up in my Nerf gun and fire them across the room at an old lamp I had. I was always trying to put the thing out. The thing lived forever. So, oh, look at this amazing labeling. Look at this, Mr. 5stone. Look at this amazing stuff. All targets filled. Delta, ready up. Smurf. I have to pause it. He's got him flipping a little bit too fast for me. Let me see. All right. Delta, ready up. That's right here. Step 1. Step 2, Smurf dot. Yes, Smurf dot. That is a blue power dot. We also call it the Smurf dot. Excellent. Target 110, T2, PPRZ. Oh, I mean, no corrections necessary. Look at this guy. Target 1. Bing. Bing. All targets filled. Excellent work. Oh, man, look at that beautiful GIF right there. Headshot. Is it a headshot? Somebody had a question. Is that a headshot? Yeah, kind of think so. What's this right here? Double cross, double move, right? What's the measurement? Right here to here. Bing, bing, bing. Yes, please. Check, please. Yeah, and it's right on the king. Awesome stuff. Now, here was some J5stone adding his 2 cents, going, also, look, that powered it up. Very good analysis. Wow. He's a mentor now. He's teaching the class. Look at this. He said, yes, this even further validates that move and that play. Why? Delta, and are we, which set of kings are we in? Are we in this one? No. Where does this one apply? To this set, right? Why? Red, small, medium, large, king size. Okay, you guys see that? Where does it apply? You're asking yourself, what accumulation zone are we talking about? Which accumulation zone is this delta powering up? Okay, it's powering up one of them. Which one is it? Well, one to the left and one to the right. It's inside this one. Okay. Bing! So, Mr. 5stone, totally telling him, yeah, you should definitely be taking that one. And it gave you the ready up well in advance. How many bars ahead? I mean, when you see this come up, this was at 51s after. Okay, and this lands at 59s. So 51 to 59, we're talking about 8 minutes. You had an 8-minute zone warning. It's probably more like 6 or 7 because where this finished, but you get my point. 6 or 7 minute heads up to say, get ready. There's going to be an amazing play coming up. And do you get a power headshot? Yes, please. I'll take that. And that is a drop for this ES. No, it's YM. And that is a drop of 15, 20 ticks. Amazing. Excellent work. Excellent work. Rickster, what are we seeing here? Richter said, just notice if you change your data series to 0 and up, you get all the data loaded for the entire day. What? Is this true? No. Is it true? Because I usually set mine days equal 1 or 0. Doing that got all the data loaded for Delta flagging? I'm gonna check on that. I'm gonna get back to you on that. All right, I didn't read that from before, Rick. Excellent work. Dr. Dean Handley exposed. If you guys don't know about Dr. Dean, again, a lot of people go and aghast for this guy's advice because he puts himself out there as the trading expert. Let me point you to the right rooms. Unfortunately, he's pointing you to his wife and his other buddies that some of them have been busted by the CFTC. And, you know, look, it's probably not a good idea. If you guys want to check out that video, definitely go hit it up right there. How much time we got? Oh, we're right at my 30-minute mark. Oh, you guys are crushing it. Is this normal, Kevin? So he asked, is this normal? He's upset because he's like, I made $80 and I had a $23 commission. That doesn't sound right. I don't know what's going on with that. That means your commission template is probably jacked up. So fix your commission template based on the broker that you're using. If you need some help with that, we can probably get that sorted out for you. But no, that definitely looks like there's a problem with that. Even if you're trading micros aren't that expensive. So definitely not for 4. Oh, looks like, oh, Ruben's already helping him out. This is what I love about this crew. You guys are freaking rocking it. First DC DM of the day. Oh, look at this. Our Italian friends. Moreno crushing this. Look at that. Double cross. What's he doing? Measuring from the pivot. From here to here. Boom. From here to there. That's where we're going. Look at that put. Oh! Beautiful! Oh! Oh, it just makes me want to sing. Look at that. Look at that. Excellent work. And that's on gold. That is $10 a tick. Excellent way to crush. And for our Australian friends, this is how you catch a kangaroo. Catch the bag. Get the bag. Australian beast mode. Everything in Australia tries to kill you from what I've heard. All right, I wanted to talk about this one. This is the play of the night I wanted to discuss. Now, you see this. This is all you need to, this is my main thing you want to look at. If you see markets doing this, okay, this is what I call a meander. All right, it's just moseying its way on down, meander. Okay, sometimes we call this the stairway to hell on its way down. Okay, if it's doing that on its way up, stairway to heaven. Okay, if the stairway to heaven is coming, all I'm going to tell you is wait for the delta. Okay, you guys got that? Wait for the delta to know that that is done and exhausted. If you're going to take the reverse on one of these, wait for the delta. And because on this one, you know, you didn't have the big red delta come in to say we got the flush, what we call the flush. Okay, wait for the flush. We'll do another video set on that particularly. We'll probably try to eliminate some of the confusion because too many other people talk about delta, and delta means so many things to so many different people. And yeah, we're going to adjust that. So this is normally a great play. However, do you see how there's no delta here? Okay, we are flat, and in fact, it's on the green side, which means that people are still trying to push this up, which means until they get flushed out in their stop run, you don't want to be on their side. Okay, right now these guys need to get wrecked first. Okay, so until you see that big red spike of volume, we're not reversing this. All right, now this is a blue headshot. Okay, so if you're gonna take it against that and you're not gonna do it, look, just make sure you scalp it. Okay, because here's what it ended up doing. Yes, it went up. He's in the money. He hit target 1, so congratulations. Okay, but we're probably not getting to target 2 here. It'll be very, very difficult, or at least you got to exit after we get to that king timing right there. Okay, and sure enough, right thereafter, boom, thing breaks down like crazy. Okay, but what's interesting is look, now we finally get that delta. There goes all their stops. Okay, they're getting wrecked now. Awesome. So after they're wrecked, now look for that play back in. What I would be doing, level this up, draw a blue line somewhere across here. That way you remind yourself that it was a blue dot, okay, versus our white ones. And if you want to go ahead and put a white line across here as well, it's not going to hurt, okay? But you know that there's a headshot at that location. So as price makes its turn, does whatever it's going to do, when we reach this spot again, this is your opportunity to re-engage this position one more time, because we look over here to the left and we know we got that massive confluence zone going on right there. we'll take it. And of course, so other things that were working against this, we had the J hook. So, I'm not critiquing him to say, hey, he shouldn't have taken this trade. He knew the risk. In fact, I saw him. Look at this beautiful critique. That's what I mean. If you guys are doing your homework, somebody asked, said, are you taking that dot, the king timing, to get Algo? So his response was, I was considering it a headshot plus Flowmaster pre-marked level. I'm not sure. I think he, he already had okay. This zone had been punched before. I see. I missed that he had written that. Okay. So at least he knew his reasons why he was getting in right there. Again, my only critique on that was, man, it would have been perfect if he had already had the flush. We didn't have the flush yet. Now the flush comes out and he made it. But he said, toe in the water. Yeah. And he said MACV was red, so he towed in the water. You see the logic? You see the thought process here, folks? This is what I've been teaching you how to do. This is well executed by our members. He said MACV was red, so what does that mean? Does it mean we're going big on it? No. If you're going to go against the two primary filters, then you're scalping. And guess what? He still made money on the play. That's what I love about you guys learning the system, executing it. Here is Moreno, our Italian friend. Awesome work. Oh my word. What is that right there? That is a beautiful, beautiful headshot. Headshot, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There's no way to perfect that entry right there. Currently, I think he does not. He doesn't have lifetime. That's why he doesn't have the Delta flagging. Looks like his Delta flagging is not working. You do need NinjaTrader lifetime for that to be working. But look at Moreno crushing it anyway. He's like, I got this. It's awesome. Yeah, dude, I like these little circles with the dash action. I might play that out. I have to try that out, Mr. Five Stone. Excellent work. Holy cow. Double massive delta plus a power pink dot. Yes, please. You guys, y'all are smashing it. Kevin K throwing down 346. Awesome work. For 6 trades. Yeah, that's gotta be minis. I don't think that's micros. Well, excellent work. Didn't like the hole you dug. Okay, so she said she had a little bit of a trouble today. All right. Max drawdown 2,500 to make 3,700. I don't know. Anybody gonna take that? Anybody gonna take her up on that? Oh yeah, that's good. I would. 72% profitable, 3,700. Not too bad. A tough day. She admitted it right there. Good stuff. Love this crew. Look at this. What do we got now? Double cross. Oh, so what's our first thought? We see a double cross. Double cross, double move. Unless, what's he got right there? That is a PRZ. So, excellent work. Well executed. That is a reversal because we've got the double cross into the PRZ. Oh, I said he. I apologize. This is Dorothy. All the way from Sweden. She is kicking butt and taking names. Well done, Dorothy. What'd she say here? $282. Excellent work. Profit factor 2.38, 57% profitable, and look at this, coming away with the win. Dorothy said, hey everyone, thank you so much for the encouragement and the helpful screenshots, Yengi video, instructions, and Vinny. Hey, look at that. Giving shout outs to the crew as well. And I got to give one to Mr. Five Stone. He's also crushing it with all these. I mean, all you guys that are posting these results, JC, Rick, Curtis, all you guys just putting out the screenshots, just absolutely crushing it, helping everybody. Great stuff. Look at this on King Timing, power dot into an HMD. Yes, please. Plus up here, we've got the green PRZ coming in from a harmonic. Yeah. Listen, folks, if you don't think we know what we're doing, like I can't help you. Our folks are just crushing it. You guys can, these other groups and things, y'all can hate all you want. The proof is in the pudding, ladies and gents. Look at this amazing work. 24.85. Where's the profit factor? Covered it up with my writing there. 2.39 on the profit factor. Excellent work. 78% profitable. Yeah, I'll take that all day. Well done, Sniper. Sit for Lunchbot. Yeah, that's great. Soaking it up. Do we have any others? JC didn't want to miss. Oh, did he? JC hit a 10K day. Dude, he was just waiting for one of these. Look at this. It's been a while since he hit a 10K day. Look at this guy. 10K. That's almost 11K right there. Is that a profit factor of 11? Yeah. Folks, you guys need to go take some lessons from the JC. Excellent work. Some mentorship library. Make sure I didn't miss anybody else. I know we had a lot of chatter and conversation. Look at this beautiful headshot. Yeah, I'll take that. Curtis G throwing down 46-87. Yeah, we'll take it. Look at this play. Look at this play. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Locked in the profit. Okay, be careful on this one. When you start locking in your profits that tight, listen, you're playing with fear. Just be a little careful on that, okay? Don't be too scared about your plays. All right, this is way too tight of stops. I know you're trying to lock in profits, and you know you probably heard that from other rooms and whatnot, but I don't teach you to do that. All right, do it well, Benny. You got this, brother. You got this. All right, but hey, that is an accurate call. Shorts favorable. I'm not sure what the MACV was at the time. Maybe that's why you were tightening it up. I'm gonna assume that it is because you're a genius. No, he said red MACV. Red MACV plus shorts favorable. You know, all I'm saying is. That's the one you might want to push it. Oh man, did I just... I bumped it. That's okay. Folks, you guys have been absolutely smashing it. No, ran long tonight. Go check out those hardware videos and things of that sort. If you guys want to get that 2-week free trial, of course, if you haven't done it already, I mean, you're missing out. Here's how I teach you guys how to train with this. If you want to learn how to do this, here's how you do it. Watch a video, take notes on that video while you're watching the video, and then practice that video. So, watch a video, practice the video, watch the next video. Watch that video, take notes, execute that video in Market Replay and Live Sim, and look at the results. Here is another one of our, what we call noob money, Bald Eagle, 811, and he's also working on a combine. Freaking amazing work. You guys are stellar, outstanding, amazing. Love you guys. I will catch you guys in the morning. It is Friday. Happy Friday. I will catch you guys in the morning. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and the rest of the gang. Let's send out that Big H-Town. See ya.
I'm a superstar, I kick down the door, got the money in the bills, and I'm also so humble. I'm so humble. I'm so humble. I'm so humble. Bar none, I am the most humblest. Number one at the top of the humble list. My apple crumble is by far the most crumblest, but I act like it tastes bad out of humbleness. The thing about me that's so impressive is how infrequently I mention all of my successes. I poo-poo it when girls